If you love seafood, then stay right here because today we're taking your taste buds on a coastal journey across India. We are making Amritsari Fish Fry, Goan Fish Curry, and the Konkani-style Mackerel Uddamethi. So take a deep breath and let's start cooking together. Let's begin with something crispy, Amritsari Fish Fry. For this, take boneless fish and marinate with red chili powder, ginger garlic paste, lemon juice and salt. Give it 20 minutes, let it relax, let it absorb everything. Now comes the magic mix. Add besan, rice flour, curd, ajwain, an egg and fresh coriander. Coat it well. Now heat your oil and fry the fish in batches. Fry till it turns golden, crunchy and absolutely irresistible. Now serve it hot with your favorite dip and sprinkle chaat masala, coriander, onion slices and a dash of red chili flakes. Now let's move south to Goa. For this, marinate your fish with salt, turmeric and lemon juice and let it rest for 25 minutes. Meanwhile, blend all your masala ingredients with a little water to make a smooth, rich paste. Now heat oil, saute onions and green chilies till translucent. Now add tomatoes, cook them till soft. The next step is to pour in the ground masala. Now fry on low heat for 3 to 4 minutes. This is where the color and aroma truly bloom. Now add water, bring it to a gentle boil and slide in the marinated fish. Now stir softly, make sure not to break the pieces. Now finish with thick coconut milk, let it simmer for 10 minutes. Now add tamarind pulp and simmer again for 5 more minutes. Creamy, tangy, comforting Goan fish curry is ready. Now for our final one, we have the Konkani-style fish, which is Mackerel Uddamethi. For this, start by roasting coriander seeds, kakona chilies, peppercorns, then roast rice separately, fenugreek and grated coconuts separately, and finally the onions. Now each roasting step adds its own depth, so don't skip it. Now grind everything together with a little water into a thick masala. Heat coconut oil, saute onions till translucent. Now add water and the mackerel already marinated with turmeric and salt. Now mix in the freshly ground masala and let it cook for a few minutes. And there it is, Uddamethi, earthy, nutty, coconut forward and beautifully coastal. So we have made 3 completely different fish recipes, one crunchy, one creamy, one rustic and deep. Now tell us which one are you gonna try first. For more such easy recipes, don't forget to subscribe to Times Foodie.